Okay, took a lot of wheeling and dealing. But I've got my vertical posts, or at least 3 vertical posts up for the shelf space here. They're not up permanent. They're just knocked into place right now. I've got to take them back down and do some more measuring and marking for the shelves and drill some holes, etc., etc. But and then this one leaning right here, that's going to go over here. It's not going to go all the way to the ceiling like the other 3. But of course, I had to rig up some boards, blocks, so that the tops of the post can be bracketed and screwed in there. Anyway, so shelf area, making some progress. We're getting there. Just a quick note that the boards, the wood I used for these shelves is recycled, reused wood. Used to be a solid wood rolling sliding door, closet door in my brother's older house. So it's nice solid wood, but the problem is whoever did the door originally, they painted it with some old latex kind of paint or whatever, and a lot of that paint's just kind of, coming off, peeling off. I'm trying to just sand it smooth anyway. And then I'll cover it with my porch paint, which should be durable. But anyway, good solid wood anyway, so putting it to use. Okay, after some additional cutting and sanding, we'll see if this is a good test fit. Hopefully this will work, because I still got to paint these things. Hopefully this works. First one. Bottom shelf, good. All right. I think this one's still a bit snug, but we'll see. And top little miscellaneous shelf. This is the miscellaneous. All right. All right, we got shelves. So this is the top shelf. I'm thinking I'm just going to connect one of these little stretchy cargo nets on the top of the shelf. It's the top shelf. It can't hold much, nothing tall anyway, except for the lay down flat. So this little net, it stretches quite a bit, but hopefully it'll be still enough to hold whatever miscellaneous items I put on that top shelf. We've got the first 2 shelves here installed. The bottom one here has vibration cushioning for my InstaPot and some tie down strap anchors. And then this shelf, I went ahead and decided to take the microwave oven, because I was just thinking in terms of, again, being places where I would not be able to have a campfire or set up a little sterno stove somewhere. Plus, I want to be able to avoid the use of a sterno stove and making a fire whenever possible, even just because of my allergies and whatever else. But anyway, so I'm taking my stuff for standard camping if I need to. But for like oatmeal and hot tea and a quick defrost of vegetables, that kind of thing, the microwave is definitely convenient. And again, I'm trying to cushion all my appliances, but especially the microwave, because I've read that microwaves have a short lifespan in RVs and camper vans because of the road vibrations and bumps and that kind of thing. But we'll see. Okay, microwave's in. It's solid, cushioned, so should hopefully do okay. So we got the shelving done. Next, I need to redo all my mosquito netting on the windows. I got to get some slide curtains for those two, and then I can put my fridge and water filter there.